और चलिए इस वक्त सुनते हैं अडानी क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं।
Set foot in this sacred land of Ma Kamakya, I am captivated by its natural and a limitless beauty. Just as the mighty river Brahmaputra reshaped the landscape of this state to carve its own path, I must say that it is our Honorable Prime Minister who has reshaped the landscape of possibilities for Assam. Honorable Prime Minister, like a master weaver, you are the first leader to have blended the seven sister states into the fabric of our nation. Your Act East policy and the programs to enhance connectivity and infrastructure are not just initiatives. They are monument of hope for the entire region. You have not only integrated Assam and its sister states into India's growth story, but laid the path to make them catalyst for our nation's future, as well as boost trade and investment with the South Asian nations. Honorable Prime Minister, yesterday I stood in Bhopal listening to you at the Madhya Pradesh Global Investor Summit, and again today as I stand here, I cannot help but reflect that it all began in 2003 with a resurgent Gujarat. Your vision that evolved into the iconic Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit. What started as a spark has now ignited a national movement inspiring every state to adopt the power of investment-driven economic transformations. And in the past 2 decades, these investor summits have far exceeded their original ambitions. They have become catalysts for transformative change, attracting billions of dollars in investment and foundationally driving your vision of a Viksit Bharat. Honorable Chief Minister, every time I meet you, I live inspired. I have known no recent first-time Chief Minister who has ignited such hope and then transformed that hope into action and remarkable progress. Your fight against social evils like drug abuse and child marriage is not just a campaign, it is a mission to shape the heart of Assam. Your vision for infrastructures is equally inspiring. When I see the transformative projects you have championed, from the bold vision of semiconductor manufacturing to the strategic linkages across Brahmaputra River, I see lifelines of progress, bridges to prosperity, and pathways to a brighter future. And it is this vision of progress that we are eager to be part of. Therefore, it is with a great pride that I announce today the Adani Group's commitment to invest rupees 50,000 crores in Assam. Our investments will span across airports, aerocities, city gas distributions, transmissions, cement, and road projects. Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Chief Ministers, Assam is on a path to greatness, and at the Adani Group, we are honored to walk this path alongside you. This is our commitment, this is our vision, and this is the promise we make today to you, to Assam, and the future we'll build together. Thank you. Jai Hind.